Midnight Saturday in Buenos Aires and the Zizek Collective are warming up for tonight's show.
Zizek is celebrating its 3rd anniversary tonight. When they started 3 years ago, they played in the club a quarter of this size to just a few dozen people. Now they're selling out shows here in Buenos Aires and around the world.
Isn't there a dance place named after you in Buenos Aires?
This is such a brutal irony. Never in your life, and never is not a metaphor for just once a year. Never did I dance or sing. I'm psychologically unable to do it. Never dance.
Recebemos muito interesse de fora, de revistas, blogs, produtores, DJs. Então a gente quis começar selo.
Épicentre de la cumbia digitale, Buenos Aires.
C'est créer notre propre paysage sonore.
Live in the studio, all the way from Argentina. Tremor, thank you so much. It sounded dope.
Well, I was going to say we're listening to electronic cumbia from Argentina.
Este movimiento cultural y musical nació alrededor del año 2000 con una Argentina en crisis, empezando a buscar más para adentro.
Es un momento histórico musical en el cual se hablaba mucho del productor de laptop, que estaba encerrado en su casa, en su cuarto, y de noche producía música. Y esa gente, somos esa gente que hacía eso de noche, pero que a la tarde salía y se juntaba con otros para empezar a generar cosas.
Algo estaba vivo, algo estaba pasando en ese momento.
Zizek was definitely in the last years one of the major labels.
Zizek is the continuation after the Son of Gotham project.
It's cool. I mean, it's a little bit tripped out, and it's a little bit out, avant-garde in the right kind of way.
Esa primera idea de poner a Buenos Aires y el sonido emergente de Buenos Aires en el mapa de la música urbana mundial, yo creo que lo logramos.